It's Friday night, just got home from work and I'm working on editing a video here too, so yeah, that's what I'm going to do on my Friday nights from now on until I start playing some shows. Do some video stuff, music, mash up, DJ set, produce. So yeah, I'm just getting the previous episode edited. So it's almost done. I've just got to add some music to the background, some copyright free or royalty free music, and then I'll upload this one and then start working on some more music for my next release and video. So second video is up online. This is like one of my unreleased songs, so I'm not going to count that one, but second video up online, go check it out. Editing's finished. So now you know what I can do. I can cross off my board here. So second video, 21st of the 1st, 22 this time. Hello and welcome to today's part of the video, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, today I've just, so I have uploaded the song to SoundCloud. So I've uploaded SoundCloud, shared it on my Facebook. There it is, just so anyway, go and check it out. So SoundCloud link, and I've got a lot of tabs open on my computer. But since that's the 4th release, can I zoom without getting off my chair? Lazy-os. So anyway, you can see just there, it'll slot in there, 3rd, 5th, in the middle. So when I release the next one, I can mark that off, which is exciting. And some more pressing issues now. I'm going to go and sort these cables out and all these coffees. So I'm just looking up some videos on YouTube on cable maintenance or management, and hopefully I can have this sussed and cleaned up by the end of today. Alright, so I've got everything off my desk, apart from the cables, which is, it's actually not too bad. It looks worse than what it is, I think, but fuck, I had a lot of shit on there. Anyway, I'll get into it. Alright, I've just finished the Cable Management 101 and I've got to be honest, it's looking so much better. Can't believe I haven't done this earlier, but anyway, here is the reveal. So I've just put everything up here on this bottom deck and cables coming through there. Phone charger, headphones are here. This is my favourite part almost. The battery charger for my camera. It is honestly pretty cool. So happy with that. There's like no cables here at all anymore. No cables there. And my book's there, but it's much cleaner. There's cables that I've just stapled or nailed to the back of the desk, and then a USB port just here for all the USBs. So anyway, it's much cleaner, and hopefully this means I can make some music with a calmer mind, more relaxed mind, knowing I've got a lot of space around my desk. Empty sky. Bit of Sinner's Paradise, banging tune, Singer's Paradise, Sinner's Paradise. Woo! All of my music just cut out. It says that it's playing there and volume coming through, but no audio on my speakers, and there's audio coming through my computer. Nothing. And I was literally just in the middle of the set. So boost. Boost, headphone, nothing comes through my headphones either. So I might Welcome back. So, I am working on my new tune that I'm re-releasing in a week. So I'm just getting the drums down. I was happy with the bass and the melody for the break, but I wasn't so happy with the drums for the drop. So, this is where I'm at. So have a listen. Let me know what you think down below. So this is the first drop, so I've got clap, hi-hat, classic rhythm. So that's the first drop, I reckon that's pretty filthy. And then this is the second drop. Similar rhythm, but a bit more going on in the background. So anyway, that might not have translated that well on this camera mic, but yeah, let me know down below. That'll be coming out pretty soon, so probably after this video is online. But yeah, anyway, exciting stuff. I reckon it's pretty filthy, so it should be pretty good. Hello, welcome to another day, another session on Ableton. So today, just trying to tune up the drops a little bit on this same song. I think I'm happy with where they're going, which direction they're heading in, and I think it's almost time to start mixing. So I might start mixing tomorrow, give my ears a bit of a break. I'm trying to finish off some creative elements and get the rest of the track kind of like arranged, but I'll give you a little insight. So this is the break. Not much going on, but I just wanted to play around with the sequences. The bass coming through there, but this is probably my favourite part of the song. This drop. So yeah, that's the drop. That's the drop. So I've got to flesh that out a bit more, and then break's pretty similar to the last one. I'm not too sure about this drop though. I'm still trying to figure it out. Same as last time, but just with a sequencer on the top. Just a different pattern to the break. Yeah, that's what I'm working on at the moment. I think it goes pretty hard. I mean, it's only 120 BPM, but for what it is, it's a fair bit of bass, and the drum pattern's quite smooth, I think. So smoother than a baby's bum, as they say. Don't say that saying around any pedos. They get a bit toey. But yeah, anyway, so I should be finishing this by the end of the week, at least, I reckon. We got Wednesday off, Australia Day, so probably won't be celebrating too much, but I'll be working on some tunes and a DJ set for you guys, so off for me. You guys are bystanders in this situation. You're going to get it regardless. So anyway, yeah, stay tuned for that, but I'll see you in the next one.